subjective definition of human development, known the issue of the fates of developmental. So explain every issue of development without regards of human development. So what is development? The pattern of change that begins at conception and continue through the lifespan, included the growth and discipline. Development can be positive or negative. So, sa human development, dito na daw nagbabago yung mga pangatawan natin or yung pag-uugali natin. So, yung magiging content is nature versus nurture, stability versus change, continuity versus discontinuity. So, first is nature versus nurture. Nature, genetic, physical appearance, and biological influence. Supporter of this view are called hereditarian of Navis. So, then ang nurture, environment, upbringing, and social influence. Supporters the view are called empirists. So, sa nature, ito yung mga genes natin. Kumbaga, nung bata tayo, ay kulot yung buhok natin. So, hanggang paglaki, ganun pa rin kulot yung buhok natin. Or kung maputi tayo nung bata tayo, paglaki natin, ganun pa rin. So, sa nurture naman daw, it's environment. So, na-influensyahan. Kung halimbawa may K-pop, so may mga usong mga damit, uso sa mga buhok, mga kulay-kulay. So, na-influensyahan tayo, then, napapagaya tayo sa mga buhok nila. So, sa stability versus change. Stability refers to the tendency of an object or system to stay the same. So, change occurs when object or system becomes different. Change that occur in the various scientific discipline can be happen where extremely short or long time intervals. So, sa stability naman, kung halimbawa nung bata ka, is makulit ka, maingay, then sa paglaki mo, dala-dala mo pa rin siya, ganun ka pa rin, makulit, then maingay. Then sa change, ito na yung, so yun, yung example ko, halimbawa nung bata kay maingay ka, pero nung lumalaki ka, nagbabago din siya kapag na-influensyahan ka. So, nagiging tahimik, ganun. So, sa continuity versus discontinuity. Continuity, a clear example is the gradual mastery of the native language which happen unconsciously. So, sa discontinuity is mastering culture by person, his or her primitive, and fade into the background. So, sa continuity, so halimbawa nung bata kayo, so yung mother tongue mo is Tagalog, then paglaki mo, ganun pa rin, yung mother tongue mo Tagalog. So, kapag sa discontinuity naman, is napapadami yung mga language mo. Example, natuto kang mag-Korean word, English, dahil sa influensya ng environment. So, that's all. Thank you.